Hey, what's up, healthy people? It's Ange from Less Health with Ange, and this is the Green Smoothie Takeover. So, a little bit about me. I was once pre-diabetic. I once had gestational diabetes. I transformed my nutritional diet to plant-based, vegan diet, and my blood work has been thriving ever since. Now, I am not new to green smoothies. However, during this takeover, I want to be extremely consistent with my green smoothie intake, which means every single day a green smoothie. So why do this, right? Well, number one, up my nutrition. Number two, feel great. Number three, fat burn. Number four, fuel my body to be its best with physical performance. And I want to diversify, right? So with my green smoothies in the past, I've always stuck to the very comfortable spinach, kale, and romaine, right? Those are probably some of the most popular greens that are used in green smoothies. Well, throughout this takeover, I am going to introduce you guys to some new greens. New to me, maybe even new to you, and not only just introduce you to them, but also show you how you can combine them in yummy ways to make wonderful, tasty green smoothies, how they benefit your nutrition, how they benefit your overall health and fitness goals. So, are you guys ready for the takeover? I hope you join me. I hope you enjoy this. Peace. All right, so first up, I chose chard. Or the number one reason this jumped out to me as my starter green is it helps to maintain and regulate blood sugar levels. Okay, as a former pre-diabetic and someone with gestational diabetes, that is always something that is in the back of my mind. Alright, so do not fear your greens. So here's a tip for you guys. So that you do not allow the oxalates to build up in your system that can potentially lead to kidney stones. So that does not develop, what you want to do is rotate your greens. Alright, so right now I'm on Swiss chard. I'll probably have Swiss chard 3 or 4 days, maybe 4 or 5, depending on how long my supply lasts. And then I'm going to rotate to a different green. As long as you are rotating your greens, whether you rotate them daily, weekly, you will not have that build up in your system. So that's a really quick tip for you guys. Green smoothie takeover. Hope you're enjoying it so far.